Step number 1, we will learn how this simple looking website is making $10 million to $15 million per month. They get around 3 million visitors per month, which means every visitor is worth $4. This makes total sense as we also make $5 per visitor. Just 2 days before shooting this video, they published this article. Marvel brought Iron Man back to the MCU, but will we see him again? That brought 16,000 visitors, and this article is now their second most popular page on the website at the moment. And this is just from Google AdSense. They make so much more from affiliate marketing and brand deal. Okay, wait, why are we talking about website, content, visitors? Isn't this video is supposed to be about making money using push buttons, couple of minutes of work, and living a laptop lifestyle? The answer is yes. From this video, we're supposed to make money using push button software with a big fat butt. Money comes from other people's pocket to your pocket, or let's say my pocket, when visitors visit your website for awesome content. This is explained in the next step. But for now, let me show you the push button software Maven. Copy any link from any website that you want to hijack. Paste the link right here. Click the spin button to use the AI or artificial intelligence. This is where software does the magic. Modify the text to fit your taste. Click publish and boom, your money website is ready just in 3 minutes, ready to make money for you. More details coming soon in this video. Stay. By the way, link to Maven is in the description, so you can get it anytime. Now that the website creation and content creation problem is out of the way, let's take a deeper look at how BGR makes money. We analyzed this website on Ubersuggest, and here is what we found super interesting. Internet is scrambling to fix Log4Shell. Was published on 13th December 2021. When we looked at Google Trends, we found this was a trending topic on 12th December 2021. Again, the second most popular article in this giant website is about the rumor that Marvel will bring Iron Man back. This is interesting because Iron Man is dead. Why are they talking about him now? So we went back to Google Trends and found there is a recent trending topic called Superior Iron Man might appear as a character in Doctor Strange sequel, Multiverse of Madness. But since it's a new character and most people know about the old Iron Man more than the Superior Iron Man, they simply published an Iron Man related content to intrigue readers to read and share the article. Looking at the numbers and the success of the content plus the number of engagements on Facebook, we can say it was a great choice of topic. Alright, we saw opportunity in Iron Man and we just made this awesome content in our website in under 2 minutes without writing a single content, without writing a single word. And let me show you how we did it. Let me show you how we made our Iron Man website in just a few minutes using Maven. Click the add blog button, copy the link of the page you want to copy from or you want to hijack, paste it here, click the create button, add a title of the page, add a blog image from any of the 4 options. In this case, we are uploading from hard drive and the image is added. Let's do a little bit of text editing. Let's make it bold. Let's select this sentence and put it on the center. Make it bold. We need to add affiliate link to make money from affiliate marketing. Let's consider this link is an affiliate link. Paste it here and make sure it opens in new window. Once we are happy with the formatting, click save button and the formatting is saved. Now all this text we see here are not ours. It's borrowed from other website. So we're going to rewrite it using AI. Just single click on this yellow button and the whole text will be rewritten using AI spinner or rewriter. Click the save buttons to save all the settings. You can always add more elements using this plus button and these options. Let's add a video. Let's use this free video, copy the URL of the video and paste it here and select the place we want to put the video and click add and the video is added. Wow. Let's add some more free images from Pixabay. Just search with your search string. Let's say Iron Man and click search and select any image from any of these options. The image is added, super cool. Let's add another one. When we are happy with everything, just click this save button. It will take you to this page. This is totally optional. This is for SEO purposes or search engine optimization. So fill in this information if you want to. When you are done, click publish now or publish later, and the content is ready to rock and roll. Click this view button and you can see your awesome brand new money making content ready to rock and roll. Get Mavin right now using the link in the description. Now, before we show you how bgr.com gets 2.9 million visitors a month to this high quality tech and entertainment content they make and how you can follow the same strategies, now we know how to choose hot content, publish content, and have your own website in just 3 minutes. Now, step number 2, go to similarweb.com and paste the link to the website. Here you see everything about bgr.com. They get 2.9 million visitors a month, which is mind-blowing for a tech website. You see that the majority of the traffic, which is 59%, is coming from search engines. But the bad news is we can't control search engine traffic. You need to rank for keywords, get backlinks, write hundreds of articles, use tons of money, and still that takes time, sometimes years, and no guarantee that you will get ranking and search engine traffic. I don't want you to wait for years to see results. Now, the good news is that the second biggest traffic source for BGR is social media, which is something we can control. 9% of 2.9 million is around 260,000 visitors, and this is still awesome considering we are just starting out. So let's forget about search engine traffic for a moment and focus on what we can get, which is the 260,000 visitors from social media. Wow, that's amazing. If you get just 1% in the first month, that's still 2,900 visitors a month, which is great start. And if these visitors generate $5 per visitor, then hey Siri, how much is 2,900 times 5?
2,900 times 5 is 14,500.
So hypothetically, you'll make $14,500 in the first month just by publishing content using Mavin. Now go get Mavin from the link in the description. If we go down here on SimilarWeb, you see the majority of the social traffic is coming from Facebook, which is around 89% of all social traffic. We will see how they get this much traffic from Facebook, so you can apply the same techniques to your website and blog. Before I show you how you can get social traffic, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you will learn how to make money online, but also your friends and your social media connections will also learn how to make money online, and everybody is getting access to our software Mavin, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Moving forward, let's go to computer screen. So here's an example how you can get social traffic super easy. First of all, when you publish a content on your website, go to your own Facebook timeline and share that content right here. Then go and search for the keyword that you're working on. Let's say Iron Man, and you'll find a lot of Iron Man related content. Now, the trick here is never share your website link in the comments of any content of anyone else. This way, they will point you as a spam. Instead, go to all Iron Man related topics, contents, pages, posts, and engage in the discussions. This particular Iron Man versus Optimus Prime, I have no idea what that is, has got 2.7 thousand likes, engagements, and 107,000 views. Now, if you engage in discussions in the comments and you share valuable comment or your insight, people will take notice. A lot of these people will get notified by Facebook, and they will look at you, who you are. You seem to be a good person who know more about this topic. So they look at your timeline and they will find your website link. They will visit your website link from there. This is how it works, and this is what happens. Again, another way to get direct traffic is when people ask questions about a topic. That is where you can share your links direct and get visitors direct. Here is an example of visitors equals money. Here is a quick look at how much money you can make from your website and the links and from affiliate marketing. We have an offer called Shopspresso. Shopspresso is a solution to a big problem. Everybody wants to have their own online store, but building online store is highly technical and expensive. You have to pay monthly recurring subscription fees. But with Shopspresso, the users get every premium feature without paying monthly recurring fees. So it's super hot. When we send visitors to this offer, on the average per visitor, we make $5.26. Super cool, right? I will leave a link to Shopspresso in the description. So the summary is use Maven, link in the description, and publish trending topic. Go to Facebook, publish your content on your timeline, and then engage in the discussion of the topic. Share your insights, valuable information with others. People will take notice, they will visit your website, and they will buy from your links. Even if they don't buy, you will still make money from AdSense. That's it, super simple. Go get Maven, add a lot of value to your visitors, and make easy money. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you learn how to make money online, you help others learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And everybody gets access to our software Maven, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.